Okay, beautiful, beautiful. When it first starts, it looks
what's going on here?
What's going on here? You know, I saw now the same kids from yesterday we will play. We do that. I'm sorry,
very
with something.
creative,
Very creative, very creative. Yesterday we had rag. You do sorry. This time now nobody do. Beautiful. And now our guy song.
Pato ranking.
Pato ranking. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this simply shows say anything way they do, just do your. This could have just been a normal dance group.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
We just say when you go do that.
They spice their
But yes, creativity day inside. You understand how to take a pass camera, give the next person. Some go knock
just different.
Different.
Yeah.
Most of the time, you know, you as a creative person, now what they always distinguish you from the rest be that your small addition of those small things, those details, them always sets you apart. Because at the end of the day, people good for outside.
They're good, though.
People good. But now your small things that will go differentiate you. You go always try. All right. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen. At this juncture, this particular lady who are getting in the building, she don't here with us before, you know. She don't come here last time. We talk about music and some kind of things. Right now, she don't go. Can't come back again. New report card on day now for the next level. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome MONICAZATION with me in the building. Yo, we are welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. Now, last time we come here, that's it, levels don't change. And they see packaging we call different in a different way. It looks like God has been good.
God has been good.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
I just feel it is one more. You see, when things just rest, you know, you don't the country since?
Actually, 14 days now. This is my longest trip. I have to change my ticket.
You cannot say the freshness is different. You understand? Because we now they react to fuel, no lights, everything.
Me too now. I join you now.
Then you just join us recently. So you are just the upcoming in the whole level. You understand? But anyway, we welcome.
Thank you.
How you done be since last time you come the show till now? What did they happen so far?
You know, the last time I come here, I did do one video.
Yes.
That video titled Palava.
Yes.
Video is over. They're outside now, and that video don't win 2 awards outside.
2 awards for outside. 2 awards. I like to hear good news like that. You understand? So progress reports and all that. You know, and you as a person, see your life must move forward. Your life, but you know, you look people there everywhere. People they clap hands. You they try. Then they clap for you. That be the message last. Okay, so now April just enter now. Start to work out something. All right, so what's in there on board now? What do they see now?
I come here, can do a new music video titled Under Your Influence.
Okay.
Coming through the airport, I lost my bag. Can you believe it? My hard drive. I don't know what they find for inside. They carry my bag with the hard drive, everything.
Wow.
It was crazy. So the video director, Okeoko, one of the best directors out there, co-advised me to meet with his brother, Sele Bobo.
Okay, Sele Bobo, yes.
So Sele Bobo and we met and we do the music. We started around maybe 10 o'clock.
Okay.
And we don't finish until 5:45 in the morning.
Wow.
The guy is a genius.
Wow.
Seriously, I mean, laid tracks and vocals, everything. You know, so the music, you need to hear him. Come put some Niger kind of touch.
Hey. So that means the video things now, we're going to wait for them.
Yes, the video just finished 2 days ago.
2 days ago. Yeah. So when will they see them now to just launch come out?
Ending of this month.
End of this month, at least by then they don't couple everything together, do everything together. Anyway, but the jam jump or
the jam they come.
The jam they come. All right. So but very, very importantly, I want to say at least make people, I want me to feel the whole thing. I be just sing and one kind for us, more just feel I feel the support to you for back. just the boss, you know, at least more just get more feeling of the music.
Doctor, something they worry me. He put a spell on me. His love is controlling me. I've been a juju.
You know they get the feeling. I don't feel the. And when Celeb don't touch the whole thing,
he put his Celeb
no, definitely. I don't see how the thing will sound. Come. You know where the thing will feel. But seriously though, but your album, how far?
The whole album's going well. Before I stop, I have to give a heads up to the writer of the song because I didn't write it.
Okay.
Big H is like the best thing that has happened to me. He's like a beautiful songwriter. They help me do good things. My album is doing well.
Okay.
I got the
okay.
Academia Music Award, which I'm going to get. Say my pigeons. See the
no wahala.
Academia Music Award where I get next month in Hollywood.
Okay.
And I already pick up another award,
okay.
NAFCA award in Hollywood also.
Okay.
So that album is doing very well. Thank God.
Okay.
Nigerian people need to understand that now. So I just come here and I can
very important to
Nigeria.
No, very important. But I happy say even though you know their house,
yes,
but at least now when they represent us for that side,
yeah, no,
at least you they do well.
Thank
you understand? And aside from just doing well on one level, doing well to the point where they receive awards outside there, it simply means that they recognize your work, and then people they also for this work where you do like this, they really appreciate the work, because to recognize another one thing, to appreciate you another thing.
Yes.
Some people recognize, say, okay, now be that, bye-bye. Now you're recognized. But when you also take an award, I mean, kudos to you for the work so far where they do.
Thank you.
And make brain say at least last you come house, make the see film for house, and you here you want shoot video and all that. At least to house the whole level. You know, some people feel the whole level. Say now I won't be this so. But Monica, I know say the last time you come here, let you tell them your real name.
Monica Omorodil Sweda.
Omorodil.
Omorodil, I'm the daughter of Omorodil.
Do you see why I asked now? Because it's like Edo.
Yes.
Which side for Edo State?
Benin.
I'm Benin. Omorodil, I confirm Benin now.
Your brother, your fellow brotder. Una for you speak language small now.
You did speak? Wow, Zena.
See?
No, you want to just communicate now.
You say I say yes now. You say when I speak, I say yes.
So when I say how far now, it's the happen now.
Oh, yes, say.
What you did?
A lot of stuff.
You don't like me to ask me to call the speaker quiet bomb. You don't forget. I don't fall out with that. I don't fall hard, but if you try the data side.
No, she tried. Even if you also she speak,
you see that can well.
I understand very well, but the way you want to make I can't talk now.
I say, what's you bring? Then she knows a lot of stuff.
Okay. I'd say she don't even hear you.
No, she heard.
But she hear correct.
Yes.
Beautiful. So now, aside all this one where you don't come house, can't do now. Any moment from now, you're supposed to go back.
Yes, so I leave tomorrow again.
Okay. Tomorrow now you come out and say, now wow, this is what kind.
I stay longer this time now.
Hey, you talk and just plan. I say, but really.
Clap for myself.
At least based on the whole thing, but. Now, how fuel did it worry you since?
My brother.
I see you know, I think you don't even there here since, but you don't come now. How the fuel thing
So black market now with the buy you.
Oh, now black market you don't resort to.
The last one we buy now 20 liters for 7,000 naira.
Shaga, yeah.
Wow.
The first time I come was 2,000, then 2005, 3,000.
They
go up and up. Nigeria people now try you.
There will be smart thing. That's how I thought say, man, forget for this. We supposed to clap for ourselves, say. Because some people go look at.
No. Nigeria, God.
We go through things.
We they try. We didn't let nothing show for our face. And we're still looking swell.
Yes.
I'm very proud of Nigeria.
I mean, inside the whole level. Other countries now go don't hit up.
What?
Voila, go don't happen here and there. People don't, but we thank God. All right, so this year now, 2016, what do you look forward to from your side? What aside this one we don't come as condo now? What next do they look for?
I do 2 movies, so I have a movie in the theater right now.
Yes, for here, I mean for that side.
For here, I mean I do one for that side, and I do one for here too.
Okay.
Coming out, so I have not my movie, but I started it. Affairs of the Heart is in the theater right now.
Okay.
And then my own movie, I co-produced with another buddy of my friend of mine, Bobby Michaels. Affairs of the Heart with Mona Lisa Chinda, Jackie Appiah, Femi Jacobs, the Funky Malam, and me, of course.
Yes.
I can't wait for that to be out. So that one they come outside this summer.
Okay. That means work day.
And they come back for July because I get another epic movie.
Now, wow.
Nigeria is my second home now.
And the blood, they show say, man, you they hustle this thing. The guys don't know say they hustle this thing. I like the spirit. I like the ginger. I mean, it simply should say, as Nigeria where you be, no darling. If you can carry last, you cannot be caught sleeping on the bicycle. Hello. Yeah. We are hardworking people as a nation. All right, so how does it reach you now? Tell your social media platforms and all.
Always same monicazation, you know, zation is Z. I mean Z. Z. So MONICA, then Z for zebra, ATION. Monicazation, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere.
All right, so they don't hear the whole level like this. So just go there. You want more information about anything concerning how you go see them or everything go there for that particular side. All right. So thank you very much. Hey, join us. And all your film plus your music everything go blow.
Amen.
Now blowing things.
Amen.
And any moment from now, we're gonna say yes. Me, I will just sit down and say that. Now my gay.
My sister.
My sister, that's why. We did here. Thank you very much. You join us. God bless you. Many more successes.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, we're going to say good night to everybody. Hope you enjoyed the show for tonight. And big shout out to our broadcast journalist on top of the show, Mr. AYODELE, the CEO, Tokad International. And to our correct guests with me here right now, say big thank you to you too. And to everybody waiting for house there, thank you so much on joining us on top of the show today. DJ Easy B, the producers for back, director, camera people, everybody. Good night and God bless you. Twitter at W Late Night Show. Jam us for there.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.